Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can download and install Litematica mod for Minecraft 26.1. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open a browser and then you just need to write Litematica. Select mod root link, go to versions, select game versions 26.1 and download Fabric one, right? Then what you need to do here is to press on Fabric mod here on Litematica, and you should see dependencies. So basically this mod is required to Litematica work. So go ahead and press on that, go to versions, game versions, make sure 26.1 is selected and select Fabric. Then what you need to do here is to go to discover content, mods, and download Fabric API. If you don't see it, you can just search Fabric API. Also the same versions, game versions 26.1, and download latest version as well. Then the last step what we need to do here is to go to fabricmc.net, press download and download for Windows. And now you should have 4 files. So first what you need to do here is to completely close Minecraft launcher, then press on Fabric installer, select 26.1 and install. Once it's successfully installed, then you can load Fabric Minecraft launcher. Go to Minecraft Java Edition, installations here, select Fabric Loader 26.1, press on the folder, then select mods folder. If you don't see mods folder, just press new and create one. Then you need to drag and drop these 3 files here to the mods folder. Once you do so, then we can launch the game through Fabric Loader. So guys, I'm in game here, and if you want to open up Litematica, you just need to press M keybind, and Litematica option will open up, and then you can do your thing here. So that's pretty much it, and if I help you out, please press like.